Why affiliate marketing is the best business to start out as a beginner, coming right up. Hey, what's going on, my friends? Mr. Brett here and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be teaching you why affiliate marketing is probably the best business to start out with. If you're a total beginner, if you don't know anything about online marketing or online business, affiliate marketing is the best business for you to start out with. And before we get on to the video, on this channel, I'll show you how to make money online. And we're going to be discussing more about marketing, motivation, and mindset because these are the three things that you need to learn in order to be successful online. And if you're interested in those type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. Alright, so let's go on to the video. So why did I say that affiliate marketing is probably the best business you can start out with if you're a total beginner? And I'm going to be laying that out in like a PowerPoint presentation right here. So we're going to start out with the benefits of affiliate marketing. So first off, what I love about affiliate marketing is that no product creation, guys. When you're going to start out with affiliate marketing, you're just going to find a product, service, opportunity that you can just drive people towards it, and you just promote that product, and then when they buy that product, you will earn a commission. Just a bit, guys, because you know how hard it is to create a product on your own from scratch. You have to do market research, you have to do copywriting, sales page, customer support, merchant, everything, total headache, guys. But with affiliate marketing, just find a product or service or a company that already a good affiliate marketing in there, and then just promote it. That's it. That's all you have to do. Number two is no inventory. And because mostly it's going to be selling digital products, but there are actually physical products out there like Amazon, but Amazon already takes care of the inventory themselves. But if it's just selling digital products like me, you just sell information products. Oh my gosh, there's no inventory, just takes a small space even in your hard drive, or it's in the air, right? It's in the cloud, it's in the internet. All those products are there are in the internet. So no inventory, there's no, you don't have to put warehouse of products and or storage of products. You don't have to deal with that. And that's really amazing, right? Number three, no shipping cards or merchant account that you need to set up because that's already been done for you by the affiliate marketer or the product owner or the product creator. So they're already busy on doing that. They don't have to deal with that anymore. And the most important thing, guys, is no customer support drama because that is already been dealt with your merchant or the owner of the product, because not everybody that's going to buy your product are going to be happy with your product. There are some of them that's going to give you headache, a lot of questions, a lot of doubts, and other stuff, and there's going to be a good number of them asking for a refund. So you don't have to deal with them. Those already be dealt with the customer support that's already part of the products that you are promoting. So that's what I love about it. Number two is simple to grow, guys. Affiliate marketing is simple to grow, and I will show you here. Number one, just find a product, then promote, rinse and repeat. Find another product, promote, rinse and repeat. Find another product, promote, rinse and repeat. That's it, guys. So that's, if you keep on doing that, you will earn multiple sources of income, and then it's scalable and limitless, guys. So you just have, you just find products and promote. That's all you need to do, and you don't need to learn anything else except to promote. Promote, promote, promote. Promotion is just what you need to do in order to be successful here in affiliate marketing. That's including generating traffic and creating offers and stuff, and follow up in email. That's it, just promotion. That's what you need to do here. It's really, really simple to go, simple to understand. You don't have to learn this in just in a whole month or in a whole year, right? And what I also love about affiliate marketing is that it's earn as you learn, right, guys? It's not a get rich quick scheme. It is a business. You do need to learn a certain skill set in order for you to have a result in affiliate marketing. But sometimes it's just so easy as just finding a product and then just promote it, and then you will earn a small commission. And that's because, guys, you don't need a prior experience needed, right? Just basic computer skills, but because you need to learn to how to do typing, click, and then copy and paste, and all those sort of stuff. You need to learn them, but you don't need to be a genius to encode now. Like in websites, it's just all about drag and drop now. You don't have to learn HTML, programming, coding, and stuff. Everything has been so simplified now. That's why it's so easy now to do affiliate marketing, because you don't need to learn all those complicated stuff. All of them are just so simple as drag and drop, click, and do the stuff. So what else you need to do is to be determined, because it is a business, And being an entrepreneur, guys, it's hard because there's no one around there to tell you you need to do this, you need to do that, right? That's a boss. If you want to have a boss, you're going to work a job. But if you want to be an entrepreneur, especially as an affiliate marketer, where you will live an entrepreneurial life where there's no boss, that's gonna be hard. So that's why you need to be determined to see this result, even if it takes you 3 to 5 years to figure it out, and then just keep grinding and keep moving forward. Number four, willingness to learn, because it is a business, and you do need to learn a certain skill set that you didn't learn in school. That's why you're gonna learn here. There's gonna be a lot of people out there that's gonna help you. I'm gonna help you learn what you need to learn in order to be successful in affiliate marketing. But you just have to learn, guys. You have to be willing to learn new skill set that will help you succeed in life and also in business. And just take action. A lot of people that failed, they actually failed to take action. That's why it's a business, and being an entrepreneur, it's hard because you have to do the stuff that is not forced upon you, but you do need to force yourself to take action. Just take action, guys, because that's the only way to bring what you imagine, what you vision to put into your physical world. Just take action and be patient, right? Everybody has a learning curve. Everybody has a different phase or in learning and doing business. Some can just come in and then crush it, but some is gonna take a while, right? I'm not one of them. I'm not the one who will come in and crush it. It did take me a while to get results in affiliate marketing because I have to figure it out and stuff. But then it's part of life, it's part of business. Nothing comes to you easy unless you work hard for it, right? So be patient with yourself, and you're going to be really, really successful in affiliate marketing. All right, guys. So I hope that you learned a lot on this video, and if you have, if you get something from this, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know if affiliate marketing, if you really believe that affiliate marketing is a great business to start out with. Let me go, guys, and we can have a good conversation in the comment section down below. All right, guys. So Miller Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.